Here I have a couple of the Core SWX XLR 4-pin cables. They are 10 feet, and they also include a jumper activation for power supply function for X2, GP, and XC chargers, I assume made by Core SWX. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right. Fairly straightforward. You can see the 4-pin to 4-pin connectors there. If you're wondering how these are wired up, let's go ahead and test that out. So let's start with pin number 1. I have pin number 1 connected on the female end, and the way this is wired or numbered is 1, 2, 3, 4 on the male end. So let's test pin 1. Yes, we have continuity between pin 1 and 1. Let's try number 2. So 2 does not appear to be wired to any of the pins. Let's try number 3. So 3 is not wired to any of the pins on the other side. Let's try 4. So 4 appears to go to 2. And also to 4. So, to summarize, pin 1 goes to 1, and then pin 4 on the female end here goes to pins 2 and 4. So, there you have it. That is the 4-pin XLR cable from Core SWX with the jumper activation, which apparently jumpers pin 4 on the female end to pins 2 and 4 on the male end.